Hello, this is the whole border is like this. Here is the two set of the antenna. This is the master, and this is the slave, here. And here is the Wi-Fi mode. This is the Wi-Fi mode, and on here is with the MAC code. Each one is with his individual. Everyone, this MAC code is different. It's individual code. These two Wi-Fi mode, and through this Wi-Fi mode, we can do the remote control. Use the computer with the remote control. Then we connect with the Wi-Fi mode, and we can do hold the software. And this software we will set to you later. And when you install on your computer, you can ask us for the activate, and it can work. And this is the soft label. This is sensor-magnetic, and this is the Chinese spray. You can see it's different. And when you use the stick, you stick this on the cup on the hand tap, and when go through the antenna, will trigger the alarm. Now the distance of this two antenna we test is the 2 meters. It's the 2 meters. Yes, it's the 2 meters. And we suggest it goes through this side in the middle. It goes through from the side. Can trigger too. It's the same of the both sides can trigger the alarm. And here, and this is the activator. When the customer check out and on the cash counter and finish, you can see. And this is now is deactivated. This label is deactivated, and after he pass, cannot trigger the alarm. Okay, thank you. 结束。